In this tutorial we will learn input. Okay, right. We want to provide some input to see how it works. Okay, and it is very interesting, and it is something beginning to feel more interested about bash shell scripting. Okay, at first we create a file. You know how to create a file. Use touch command and file name. Let's say test.sh. sh for it is extension. Okay, and file is created. What we do next, we enter to the file. I delete this file txt. Okay, and we enter to the file, let's say nano, and file name, and press enter. At the beginning we write this. I will explain this later, that bin bash. Why we write this is called shebang. The word is shebang. This is shebang. Okay, and why we write this is a question, correct? Now I'm going to show you why. Let's save it. I write this because which bash. Okay, so this it can be different. That's why we use this. And this is the path we are going to use. Okay, interpreter knows now that it is this is something it needs to follow path. Okay, it depends upon your laptop or computer. You will see different, not always same. All right. Now I can again enter and write there bin. What did we see? That user, that here user usr sr. Okay, done. Now we need to learn input. For input, read is the command. Okay, we can print something. Let's say echo write your name. All right, and this is at first we'll print write your name, and I'm writing that name. That is the input. Read is the input, and it is name is the variable. You can write any name, and now echo that my name is. Okay, now I'm going to call the variable. To call the variable, it is $sign and the name. Okay, close this double quote. Done. All right, this is how to use the read command. At first we run this, Control O, Control X, and so we need to change the file permission. It is not executable. X ACHMOD change mode user plus X. U mean user, G mean group, O mean other. Okay, you see now this is changed X to X. Here is empty and here is X executable. Now run the command. This dot means current directory. All right, this dot means current directory, and this is how to run. This dot is current directory, and I'm running. So it is asking what is your name. My name is Tom. It is printing my name is Tom. Okay, interesting. Clear. And right here we change the file details. And what is your name? Okay, my name is Tom. Right here my name is Tom, and right here echo what is your country, and here right here echo my country is. Okay, we have to write here a variable read country. Okay, country name, or we can use the name to use the country. Okay, now my country is, I'm calling this now country variable country. Done. Okay, now save it and run. Dot. Now it is asking what is your name? Tom. What is your country? Swiss. See, my name is Tom, my country is Swiss. What is the bash? See, I am now writing my name is Jerry and my country is Italy. See, this variable is variable name. I type the name is variable, but value is changing. You can use any value. Okay, Harry, Japan. See, this is how bash shell scripting this read input command works. This is for beginner. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.